Hello. So this is the step-by-step instructions how to complete Microsoft Excel exercise number 2. So the first step you want to do is create a table. So using the same data set number 1 that I showed you already, you can create a table. It could be right here if you want. It's fine. You could just type in marital status, and then type in mean age, and then also type in standard deviation, age. You can adjust the columns to make them look better. And then underneath marital status, type in single, married, and other. Okay. Now we just need to copy and paste the formulas. So the formula is saying that compute the average if the category of those listed as 1. Okay, so only compute the ages of those that are single. That's basically what it's saying here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this formula here. Okay, it gives it to me there. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. There we go. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for this one. So basically what it's saying, this formula is like, take a look at column C. Only include those that are quoted with 1, and then compute whatever is listed in column B, which is age. So it's computing the average. So I'm going to do the same thing for standard deviation. Okay, 2.9, 2.89. I'm going to do it here too. Oops. And then I'm going to do it for other. There we go. So make sure you copy and paste this and put it in a Word document and provide it to me. Okay, so the second part is going to be, it should look something like this. That's good. Now going on to the second exercise, which is the frequency count and chart, bar chart. So I'm going to do a shortcut. I'm just going to, this is just examples here. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Let me just leave these blanks so you don't. I'm just going to copy paste this. So it'll make my life easier. If you can do that, that's great. You can adjust the columns. All right, so I did provide the formulas there. So for single, that's the formula. Put that in the where it says single and frequency cell there. Okay, I'm going to go to married. This is for the married. I'm going to copy and paste this one. Basically, it's only count those that are 2s. And then I'm going to go down to the others. It's only going to count those that are 3s. Okay. And then the next step is to create a bar chart. So I'm going to maximize this so you can see it better. I'm going to go insert. I'm going to highlight this whole table first. Click on bar chart. I'll say click on stack column. And it gives me a bar chart. And make sure you copy and paste the table in the bar chart Word document. Provide a description of the data that you see a little bit. Just basically say something about it, and that should be it. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you.